Yeah, I love that tune. And that tune I use to get my students who want to do a little bit more Carter Beauford, a little bit more hi-hat work, splitting up a 16th, understanding that you still have to keep kick and snare going, and it's all about just rocking the groove, man. And then adding all this stuff on top of it. So, believe it or not, I got some insane grooves from watching this. Anybody into beatboxing? I don't beatbox at all, but I watched some guys, man, and they were doing grooves with their mouths that they made up. I was like, I gotta play that. That is so cool. Oh my God. So, you know, there's so many styles coming at us right now. We've got, you know, dubs. Who's into dubstep stuff? Like the first stuff that I played, the James Bond thing. I heard that from a student, and I'm like, that is so cool. That's a cool intro. I want to play that. Totally different and uncharacteristic for me to play something like that, but I felt it and I loved it. So I play music that I truly feel. I play music that motivates me. I play with musicians and bands who also motivate me. And I believe that, you know, having a phenomenal, great attitude, besides knowing your skills, being a really good guy, I've gotten more gigs, I swear to God, just because I make the singer laugh. Or I don't complain, or I don't ask for this, or I don't do that, and I don't care if I get stuck sleeping on the floor somewhere. The whole highlight and the whole magic of everything is that I'm getting to do this, man.